We live in a fast-evolving world where technology is changing the way we live and move, even up to our cars. We now have cars that have insane technologies that no one could have predicted some 50 years ago. And now, there are newer technologies on the horizon for cars that will make driving safer, more convenient, and even more fun. In today's video, we'll explore 10 must-see features that are set to shape the future of driving, giving you a glimpse of what to expect in the next generation of vehicles. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is one of the coolest features coming to future cars. It blends digital information with the real world, making driving safer and more exciting. Instead of looking at your phone or dashboard for directions, AR can project important information right onto the windshield. For example, it can highlight the road you're supposed to take, display your speed, or warn you about hazards ahead, all while keeping your eyes on the road. Some cars already have basic versions of AR, like heads-up displays HUDs, but the future will take it to the next level. Advanced AR systems will use 3D mapping, sensors, and cameras to give drivers real-time updates about traffic, weather, or even nearby landmarks. Imagine driving in an unfamiliar city and seeing helpful arrows guiding you, or information about restaurants and gas stations pop up as you pass them. AR can also help with parking and avoiding accidents. It can highlight obstacles or show the exact path to fit into a tight space. This feature combines convenience with safety, making it easier for everyone to drive. With AR, driving will be smarter, safer, and more interactive, changing the way we experience our cars and the road. Wireless charging. Wireless charging is one of the coolest car features coming to the future. Imagine never needing to plug in your electric vehicle, EV, to charge it. Instead, you simply park your car over a special charging pad and it starts charging automatically. This technology uses electromagnetic fields to transfer energy from the pad to your car's battery, making it super convenient and hassle-free. One big advantage of wireless charging is that it can save time. There's no need to search for cables or struggle with plugs, especially in bad weather or when you're in a hurry. It's as simple as parking your car in the right spot. Wireless charging also has the potential to work while you're on the move. In the future, roads could be equipped with charging strips, allowing your car to charge as you drive. This could increase the range of electric vehicles and reduce the need for long charging stops during road trips. This feature could also help reduce wear and tear on charging ports and cables, making it more durable and reliable over time. With wireless charging, the future of EVs is looking simpler, more efficient, and incredibly exciting. Remote parking. Remote parking is an exciting car feature that feels straight out of the future. Imagine being able to park your car without even sitting in it. This technology lets you use your smartphone or a special remote control to guide your car into a parking space while you stand outside. It's especially helpful for tight parking spots where opening the car doors might be a challenge. Here's how it works. Advanced sensors, cameras, and software work together to detect obstacles and guide the car safely into a space. With just a tap on your phone or remote, the car can move forward, backward, or turn as needed. It's like having your car park itself with your instructions. Remote parking isn't just about convenience, it also makes parking safer. It reduces the chances of hitting nearby cars, walls, or other obstacles. Plus, it can help drivers who might feel nervous about parallel parking or squeezing into tight spots. As this feature becomes more common, it's expected to save time and reduce stress for drivers. Remote parking is proof that cars are getting smarter and more user-friendly, making driving easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Adaptive Cruise Control. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, is an exciting car feature that makes driving easier and safer. Unlike regular cruise control, which keeps your car at a steady speed, adaptive cruise control uses sensors, cameras, or radar to automatically adjust your speed based on the traffic around you. This means your car can slow down or speed up to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you, all without you having to touch the pedals. A CC is especially helpful during long highway drives or in stop-and-go traffic. For example, if the car ahead suddenly slows down, your car's adaptive cruise control system will reduce your speed to avoid getting too close. Once the road clears, it will return to your set speed. This feature is part of a larger trend towards smarter, more autonomous vehicles. Some advanced ACC systems can even bring your car to a complete stop and restart it when traffic moves again, making it even more convenient in busy city traffic. Adaptive cruise control not only makes driving less stressful, but also improves road safety by reducing the chances of rear-end collisions. It's a glimpse into the future of cars, where driving will be more automated and enjoyable. Autonomous driving. Autonomous driving is one of the most exciting features we can expect in future cars. This technology allows cars to drive themselves without needing much input from the driver. Using advanced sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence, autonomous cars can detect obstacles, read road signs, and make real-time decisions to keep passengers safe. One of the biggest advantages of autonomous driving is convenience. Imagine being able to relax, read a book, or even nap while your car takes you to your destination. It could also make driving safer, since autonomous cars are designed to follow traffic rules and react quickly to their surroundings. They could reduce accidents caused by human errors like distracted driving or speeding. Autonomous driving also has the potential to change how we view transportation. Ride-sharing services could become more efficient, and traffic congestion might decrease as self-driving cars communicate with each other to optimize routes. While fully autonomous cars aren't yet widely available, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are making significant progress. Some cars already have partial self-driving features, such as lane keeping or adaptive cruise control. In the near future, this technology could become a standard feature, making roads safer and driving more enjoyable for everyone. Driver monitoring. Driver monitoring is one of the most exciting car features of the future, designed to make driving safer for everyone. This technology uses cameras and sensors inside the car to keep an eye on the driver's behavior. It can detect if the driver is distracted, tired, or even falling asleep, and it steps in to help prevent accidents. For example, if a driver is looking at their phone or not paying attention to the road, the system can sound an alert or even slow the car down. If the driver's eyes close for too long, the system might suggest taking a break or pulling over. Some advanced systems can even take over the car temporarily to keep everyone safe. Driver monitoring also plays an important role in semi-autonomous and self-driving cars. It ensures the driver is ready to take control when needed. This feature is especially useful for long road trips or city driving, where it's easy to get tired or distracted. By focusing on safety and quick responses, driver monitoring is becoming a must-have feature for future cars. It's like having a co-pilot in your car, always watching out for your safety and helping you stay focused on the road. Blind spot monitoring. Blind spot monitoring is an amazing feature that is becoming more common in cars, and it's a must-have for future vehicles. A car's blind spot is the area around it that the driver cannot see in the mirrors. These spots can be dangerous because other vehicles or objects might be hidden from view, leading to accidents when switching lanes or turning. Blind spot monitoring uses advanced sensors and cameras to detect objects in these hard-to-see areas. When the system senses something in your blind spot, it alerts you with a warning light on your side mirror or dashboard. Some systems even give you an audible beep or vibration if you try to change lanes while there's something in the way. Future versions of this technology are expected to get even smarter. They might use 360-degree cameras for complete visibility, work seamlessly with self-driving features, and provide better alerts in bad weather conditions. Blind spot monitoring is a game-changer for safer driving. It reduces the risk of accidents, makes highway driving less stressful, and gives drivers more confidence behind the wheel. As car technology improves, blind spot monitoring will likely become a standard feature in all vehicles, ensuring safer roads for everyone. Which of these features are you most excited for? Which one doesn't get you that excited? Do let us know in the comment section. Regenerative braking. Regenerative braking is an exciting technology that makes cars more efficient and eco-friendly. Instead of wasting energy during braking, regenerative braking captures and reuses it. Here's how it works. When you press the brakes in a car with this system, the car's electric motor switches into reverse mode. This slows down the wheels while turning the motor into a generator that produces electricity. That energy is then stored in the car's battery to be used later. This feature is most common in electric and hybrid vehicles, but it's starting to appear in some regular cars too. It helps extend the driving range of electric vehicles because it reduces the amount of energy they need from charging. Regenerative braking is also great for the environment. By reusing energy, it reduces the overall amount of fuel or electricity cars need, lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Plus, it helps reduce wear and tear on traditional brakes, which means less maintenance. For drivers, regenerative braking feels smooth and can even improve the driving experience. As more car companies adopt this technology, regenerative braking will become an important part of making future cars greener, smarter, and more efficient. It's a great step forward for sustainable transportation. Saved vehicles. One exciting future car feature is saved vehicles, which will make it easier for drivers to find their car, especially in busy or crowded places. Imagine parking in a large parking lot or a crowded city street and having trouble remembering exactly where you left your car. With saved vehicles, your car's location will be tracked by your smartphone or the car's built-in system. Using a simple app or voice command, you can ask the car to guide you back to its exact location, making it easier to find in big or complicated parking areas. This feature works by linking your vehicle's GPS system to an app or the car's built-in interface, allowing you to save the car's location as soon as you park. In addition to just finding your car, some advanced versions might even allow your vehicle to move autonomously to you when you're ready to leave, especially in parking lots with self-driving capabilities. The Saved Vehicles feature is just one example of how technology will make driving more convenient and stress-free, helping drivers save time and reduce frustration in everyday situations. As this technology continues to improve, it will become a standard feature in many cars of the future. Smartphone integration. Smartphone integration is one of the most exciting future car features that will make driving more connected and convenient. With this feature, your smartphone can sync seamlessly with your car's infotainment system, allowing you to control many functions without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. For example, you could use your car's touchscreen to access apps from your phone, such as navigation, music, or messaging. You can even make hands-free calls and send texts using voice commands, which helps keep you safe and focused while driving. Some cars will also support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, giving you a smooth and user-friendly interface that mirrors your phone's screen. Smartphone integration can also help with remote features. Imagine being able to lock your car, start it, or even check the battery level all from your phone while you're at home or work. Some cars might even send alerts if something's wrong, like if the tire pressure is low. As smartphones become more powerful, their role in the car will grow, making driving smarter and more convenient. Smartphone integration is shaping the future of cars, offering a safer, more connected driving experience. That's all on our list of the 10 must-see future car features. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting contents like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.